it cold, buddy?
No, it's cold. Jonathan, wait till you go under.
Jody, is it cold? Is it cold?
Straight from the tap, isn't it, guys? You were so close, Jonathan. You were so close. They have to hurry and grab you. So pull him out. Want to get out? Want to get out?
It's gonna be cold when he gets out, though.
Come on, bud. Stay out there, okay?
Okay.
You want to get out, Jody?